Hi, I'm Sarah, founding and managing attorney at Nilsson Law PLLC. I'm also a pilot and a law professor. Welcome to The More You Know, a series of short videos I created to share some law that you may find useful someday, if not right now. Today's topic, DUI in Arizona. But first, my legal disclaimer. The information I'm about to share is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal advice. This is not an offer to represent you, nor is it intended to create an attorney-client relationship. Below the YouTube video, you will see all the links I have shared. All links are provided solely for your convenience and do not represent any endorsement, advertisement, or sponsorship of linked sites or any products or services offered. In Arizona, it is unlawful for any person who is under the influence of intoxicating liquor or any drugs to drive or be in actual physical control of any vehicle. When you apply for and accept the privilege to drive in Arizona, you give consent to test for blood alcohol concentration or drug content if you are arrested for DUI. This is known as the Implied Consent Law. When a law enforcement officer has reason to believe you have been driving while under the influence, they will request you submit to a test of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substance to measure the amount present in your bloodstream. If the test shows an alcohol concentration of 0.08% or more, 0.04 in a commercial vehicle requiring a CDL, or if a test result is not available, you will lose your driving privilege on the spot. In order to obtain a restricted permit or reinstate your driving privilege, you will need to complete alcohol or drug screening. If you are under 21 and your test showed less than 0.08%, your license may still be suspended for any alcohol concentration. If you refuse to submit to or don't successfully complete any tests when arrested for DUI, you will automatically lose your driving privilege for 12 months. 24 months for a second refusal within 84 months. In addition to any criminal penalties imposed by the court for a second or third offense DUI violation, your driving privilege will be automatically revoked. For the first DUI, you will be jailed for no less than 10 consecutive days and fined no less than $1,250. You will also be required to undergo alcohol screening education treatment and to equip any vehicle you operate with a certified ignition interlock device and be ordered to perform community service. The interlock device is a breath alcohol testing instrument connected to the ignition and power system of the vehicle. You blow into the device before attempting to turn the ignition. If your alcohol level is above 0.02, the vehicle will not start. While driving, you must blow into the device at random intervals. For a second and subsequent DUI, you will be jailed for no less than 90 days and fined no less than $3,000, and your license will be revoked for 12 months, plus the usual alcohol screening education treatment, interlock device, and community service. Extreme DUI applies with an alcohol concentration of 0.15% or higher. For the first extreme DUI offense, you will be jailed no less than 30 consecutive days with no probation or suspended sentence and fined no less than $2,500, plus the usual alcohol screening education treatment, interlock device, and community service. For a second or subsequent extreme DUI, you will be jailed for no less than 120 days, fined no less than $3,250, and your license will be revoked for 12 months, plus the usual alcohol screening education treatment, interlock device, and community service. An aggravated DUI applies if you commit a DUI while your license is suspended, revoked, or cancelled, if you commit a third DUI in 84 months, if you commit a DUI while a person under 15 years of age is in the vehicle, and if you commit a DUI or refuse to submit to a test while you have an ignition interlock device on your vehicle. For aggravated DUI, you will be sent to prison for no more than 2 years and have your license revoked for 1 year, plus the usual alcohol screening, education treatment, interlock device, and community service. Thank you for watching The More You Know, DUI in Arizona.